Welcome back to my lovely kids.
I hope you are happy and healthy.
So dear children, in last video we did some of the exercises on nouns, and today also we will do more exercises on nouns. So this is a worksheet. So first of all we'll read the question. Cut out and glue each noun under the right category. So here are the words written, naming words written. So what we are supposed to do, we'll cut out the naming words and we will paste it under the correct heading, like person, animal, place and thing. So all the names of the persons we will paste under person. All the animals' names we will paste under animal category. All the places names we will paste under place category, and all the things will paste under thing category. So let's cut them out and paste under the correct category. So children, you can see I am pasting all the naming words under the correct heading. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Dear children, let's do another activity. So first of all, we'll read the question. Write 4 nouns that name a person. So we'll write the names of persons. So you can write any name here, it's up to you. So I'm writing here mother, father, teacher, doctor. So come to the next question. Write 4 nouns that name a place. So here also it's up to you. You can write the name of any place. So I'm writing here Delhi, school, zoo, park. Now come to the next question. Write 4 nouns that name an animal. So you can write any names: dog, cat, lion, elephant. So here we have been asked to write only 4 animals' names. So we'll write only 4 animals' names. Now the next question is write 4 nouns that name a thing. So here also you can write the names of anything. So I have written here book, pencil, television and car. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed today's exercises. See you soon. Bye bye.